Hi guys, Ivana here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you 4 different stretches that you can do to release tension from your shoulders, especially the front of the shoulders. So if you have rounded upper back or you suffer from a shoulder injury, this stretch is gonna be amazing for you. You're gonna need a couple of props for this session. You're gonna need either a foam roller or you can use a bolster. You're gonna need a block or a pillow, and you're gonna need some space on the wall as well. So we're gonna start by lying on the roller. So make sure you have space around you. You're gonna pop the roller vertically like this, and you want to make sure the whole of the spine is gonna be on the roller. So your lower back, your sacrum, your lower back, and the back of the head on the roller. Now, we're gonna open the arms out to the side, elbows in line with the shoulders, and then ideally your arms should be all the way down onto the floor. Now, if you have very stiff shoulders or chest muscles, this might not be possible for you. So you might need the pillows here. You might want to grab 1 or 2 pillows, and you're just gonna prop your arms with the pillow. So I'm gonna use my block here. I'm just gonna show you. So if my arms are not down, I would use the block to prop my arm, and that way I can relax into the pose. So make any adjustments if you need, and then we're just gonna draw the chin in. We're gonna tune in into the body, and we're gonna start with a nice deep breath. So we're gonna inhale for count of 4, pause at the top, and then we're gonna exhale for count of 5. And again, inhale for count of 4. And exhale for count of 5. And then if you wish, you can close your eyes. And we're just gonna stay here and we're gonna breathe. And then the longer you stay here, the gravity will help you to release your arms down to the floor. Good, and then gradually just hopefully starting to feel that your shoulders and your chest is starting to open up. So let's just stay here for another 2 rounds of breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And again, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Good. And then slowly from here, we're gonna come off the roller, sliding onto your back. And just lie flat on your back for a second. Rotate your head gently from side to side. Notice how your shoulders and neck feels. And then from here, we are gonna roll onto your side. And you want to have your knees up into tabletop position. So the knees should be in line with your hips. You should have a little curve in the lower back. And then you're gonna bring your arms in front of the chest. Head is either down onto the floor or you can use a block or a pillow underneath your head. And then you make a fist with the top arm. You're gonna put that fist with the thumb down onto the floor. So fist is down. And then you're gonna inhale. As you exhale, you're gonna draw a half circle with that arm. and try to keep your fist on the floor if you can. So drawing the half circle out to the side, and then we're going straight back to the starting position. Breath in, breath out. We're gonna draw a half circle. Turn your head, look towards your hand if you can. Breath in to hold. Breath out to draw a half circle back. Breath in, breath out. We're gonna draw that circle. Try to maintain the fist on the ground. Breath in, breath out. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's go for 2 more. And last one, breath in and breath out. Draw a circle, breath in and breath out to come back. Very good. Let's try the other side. So make sure your back is straight when you lie down. You don't want to be leaning forward or backwards. Knees should be in tabletop position, and you should have a neutral spine, so a natural curve in the lower back. Make sure you're not tucking under with your bum. Good. You make a fist. Fist goes down onto the floor. And then inhale. As we exhale, we're going to draw a half circle. Turn your head, look towards your hand. Breath in. And then breath out to half circle back. And if this is painful for some reason and you can't really reach your arm over the head, you can put your fingertips on top of the shoulder and you can just do elbow circles. Yeah? So don't feel like you have to draw a half circle if you cannot do it. You can also lift your arm up so it's a little bit higher. So work with your own range of movement. Exhale. And we're gonna do 2 more. Exhale. And last one, exhale. Beautiful. Good. Okay, so now from here we're gonna roll onto your belly. And we're going to do another stretch for your pecs, for the shoulder muscles. So we are going to make this shape with the arms. So the elbow is in line with the shoulder, forearm to the floor, and then you're gonna roll yourself over onto your side. Knees can be bent. Now, if your head doesn't touch the ground, you can use a block and just pop the block underneath your head. And then you're just gonna hold this position and breathe. Very good. And we're gonna come back onto the belly. Same thing, second side. So bend the elbow. Elbow should be in line with the shoulder. And then you're gonna roll onto your side. Bottom ribs in. And just breathe. Very nice. We're gonna come back onto the belly. Similar stretch, but this time we're gonna change the position of the arm. So the arm's gonna go on a diagonal and the thumb is gonna turn down towards the floor. Then you're gonna roll onto your side again. Head can be supported. And you're gonna feel a stretch into your bicep more. So more into the inner arm. Then breathe. Nice big inhale through the nose. Big exhale through the mouth. Big inhale through the nose. And big exhale. One more breath. Exhale. Some of these stretches might be quite painful. If it's bearable, try to stay with the stretch. Eventually the muscles will release. But if it's unbearable and you just cannot do it, feel free to adjust the arm, maybe lower the arm, or just change the range of movement so you can do the stretch. So always listen to your body. Let's try the other side. So the arm is on the diagonal again. Thumb pointing down, and we're gonna roll onto the side. And just take a couple of deep breaths. Very good. And then we're going to release, roll onto the belly, and we're going to push ourselves up, round your back, and then take a child's pose. Big toes together, knees wide. Just stretch out your back. Take a one more deep breath in, and exhale. Very nice. Good. So now we're going to find a space next to a wall. So you're going to be next to the wall. You're going to step your right leg forward, and then your left arm's going to go out on a diagonal again. And then closer to the wall you go, deeper the stretch into the shoulder. Tuck your tailbone under, crown of the head to the ceiling, and just enjoy this stretch into your arm, into your shoulder and the arm. Nice big deep breaths. Good. We're gonna release. We're gonna swap side. So arm goes out on a diagonal, palm faces towards the wall. Closer to the wall you are, deeper the stretch. Tuck your tailbone under, crown of the head to the ceiling. Look forward and breathe into the stretch. Good. And then you're going to release. Good. You're going to sit back down onto your mat. And then we're going to finish off with one more stretch. So you're going to sit in a cross-legged position, shoulders down. And we're going to lift your right arm up, bend the elbow, and then left arm goes around. And now you're going to try to catch your fingertips. Now, if this is not possible for you, just hold on to the t-shirt behind your back, like this. Just hold on to the t-shirt. Draw the lower ribs in and breathe. Very good. We're going to release, stretch through the arms, and then lift the opposite arm up, left arm up, right arm goes out to the side. And again, if you cannot reach for your fingertips, just hold onto the t-shirt, crown of the head to the ceiling, bottom ribs in. Try not to push your back forward. Slow, deep breaths. Good, and then slowly release. Beautiful. You can flex through the hands and then reach your arms up to the ceiling, interlace the fingers, stretch the arms up, take a breath in. As you exhale, you're gonna side bend to one side, inhale up, and then exhale, side bend to the other side, back up, look up to the ceiling, take a breath in, and then as you exhale, slowly release the arms, and you are done for today. Well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below, and send this video to your friend. Have a great day, and I will see you on the mat very soon. Bye for now.